Hey everyone, it's Hair Tweet Cat, also known as Jesse over here in the real world, but on the internet, I'm Hair Tweet Cat. Uh, I am just doing a kind of flash update, so I'll try to be so fast. But investing or lunch, the portfolio is doing really good, even though we're kind of having an odd week. I really think this week is going to be kind of a back and forth flat week. We're going to listen to see what Biden has to say with the State of the Union. Um, and we're kind of got our eggs in that basket. Speaking of eggs, I got some real eggs. Look at that, nasty, right? It's actually just mud. But my kid, my 6-year-old, will think that it actually comes from the chicken's butt, so he might actually think that's something else. But anywho, I have the eggs here because a friend of mine who has chickens gave them to me because egg prices are great. I'm sure that will be brought up during the State of the Union. But anyways, um, today with investing our lunch, we added gold and we added some gold last week because when the stock market went on a rally last week, gold went down quite a bit. So it was a good time to add it back to the portfolio. If it trades flat this week or goes down, it's going to be fine because if the stock market goes down, it'll be fine because gold tends to do a little bit better. Same thing with bonds, but I have not added the bonds yet. I'm really wanting to get through this week. I think it's gonna be a flat month. Honest, February is gonna be a flat month, except for Palantir. Palantir has earnings, and I think there's gonna be a decent surprise. I've been let down so many times with Palantir earnings, but I think this is the quarter that changes it just enough to stay flat, get a good rally before it, or stay flat or go up a little bit. If we learned anything from what happened with SoFi and what happened with Tesla, is that earnings has been pretty good if you can kind of just show that, hey, we're debt free, we have cash right now, and we have a plan, and we're gonna meet our numbers. And I think any company would be really good if they just stick to that. But you got to have the cash; you can't have debt. So, also, we did change one thing with our strategy. We finally added an option. Now, options can be really scary for some folks, me included sometimes. So, but we did it, and we did it with Palantir. We bought an option. It cost $294, and it was a leap. I did a little short video, so look for that in my shorts. I will also stick it at the end of this video if you want to watch it. But I did a little step by step on how to buy a leap in the money call option. And I use Palantir, so it's step by step. So if you have any interest, and I did it with Robinhood because it's part of this investing your lunch portfolio. So if you have any questions, check that out. Definitely comment below if you have any questions. If you want to know more about options, like exactly how to do it, comment down below, ask a question, and I will answer it. I promise. I'll also look into making a video where I just kind of explain the basics of the stock market and the basics of options. All right. So this is what that looks like because I make charts for everything. I'm an Excel guy, and I love making stuff up on Excel. But I know anything Palantir has could eat my lunch. Although I pride myself on some of my Excel, but this right here is where it cost me $294 to exercise that, or not exercise, to buy that option, that leap for January 14th, 2024. And I bought it in the money because Palantir is well over $7. But I bought this contract to say, hey, January 14th, 2024, you can exercise an option to buy 100 shares at $7. I did this because I know in my heart that Palantir will be above $7. To break even, technically, you take this number, add it to this times 100. So basically, we need 995, 994 to break even, which after that, you can make lots of gains on your options. And because it's a in the money call, I technically own it for $294. So if we get a good rally day or, a run up in the market, I could sell a call option that's way outside the money for a decent profit that could be even more than what it even cost to buy this. And then I got free money, even if it goes up or down over the next year. And if that happens, I'm definitely going to make a video of me doing it and posting that. So those are the updates we did on investing your lunch. If you have any questions, please comment below. As you can see, we're still up over 6%, and we've reached 17.05 of our goal, because just with our lunch or breakfast money, we should easily be able to invest over $5,000. Honestly, it's like $3,500 to $4,000, but with some gains, we should have $5,000. And then on the weight side, I don't know if it's on here or not, but I've lost 5.4 pounds just by not eating any junk food, really. So, and just investing that money. So, hope everyone's doing wonderful. Hope everyone's being safe and healthy. And I can't wait to read your comments below. Please like, please subscribe, please share. And I appreciate all of you so much. Thank you a million for your support. I will talk to you all later. Bye.